Okay guys, I got everything, got my old charger taken off, got my new charger set up here and plugged in. Just plugged it up to the mower, seems to be charging. Only thing I don't like about the gauge from Big Battery is it doesn't have a lot of information. The other one I got from Amazon, you could see the amperage, you could flip through, you can kind of see it charging. You can see it there, it says 98%. I don't know what that means. I don't think it jumped from 85 to 98, but maybe, we'll see. I'm gonna let the charger run, but seems to be working fine. I'm excited about it. I'm sure the guys are, and I'm sure we'll convert a few more of these in the future. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and hope you all have a good day.